Hey, this is Dave Ing. I'm in the junkyard. I'm working on a 2004 to 2006 Scion XB. We're doing the trunk latch today. You see the latch sitting, on the bottom of the tailgate. The actuator sits in here underneath. First thing you do, cover it up. Here, you've got to go through and pry off all of these little plastic clips, and to get the covering down, which is just a piece of carpeting, some insulation in it. You're going to get a 10 millimeter for these bolts, and then I use a small screwdriver. There's two plastic clips. Now there's one that sits like this that you release. I use a pair of pliers to release that, or just press on each side. And then the tricky connector here is it's the plug that's part of the wiring harness. But it gets seated in there pretty well and hard to get out. So you'll see each clip. I go in on either side, from this side of the clip to release it. So I'll push on this side, kind of hold that in place. Then I go and push on this side, and then you just wiggle it a little bit, and it should drop down. If you're lucky, you can get it out easy. If you're just replacing the latch, you can just yank on it to unplug it, and because I'll carefully remove that. I'll have a link to the OEM product number in the description. So there's 3 10 millimeter bolts. And then you will wiggle it out from here. That white piece is the power actuator, and that'll be it. I hope that helps. We'll see you next time.